This little ghost necklace made out of embroidery floss is super easy to make, and it's just the right accessory for the Halloween season. So let me show you how. For this project, you will need white embroidery floss, a small wood bead, black seed beads, a split ring, jewelry pliers, scissors, and thick white craft glue. Start by wrapping the embroidery floss around 4 fingers, about 20 to 25 times. My hands are kind of small, so I'm separating my fingers just a little bit, but the wrap should measure about 4 inches. Once you're finished wrapping, cut off the embroidery floss and gently remove it from your fingers. Cut another piece of embroidery floss about 6 inches long and place the loops right in the middle of that piece of floss. Tie the cut piece of floss tightly right around the middle of the loops. Make sure that you have it perfectly centered. Now thread the 2 ends from the floss that you just knotted and send it down through the hole in the wood bead. Pull it tight so the embroidery floss comes up flush against the bead. And then push down the ends of the loops all around the bead so the bead is right in the middle. This is going to make the head of the ghost. Cut another piece of floss about 6 inches again and tie it around the base of the bead to create the ghost head. Tie it as tight as you can get it. Now spread the loops around the bead to cover it completely. Use the scissors to cut through all of the bottom loops of the embroidery floss. Now trim the edges of the embroidery floss straight across, and then you can cut the edges so that your ghost is a little bit rounded at the bottom. Open up the split ring with your jewelry pliers and insert it through the top piece of floss that runs in the opposite direction of your loops. Use the pliers to close the loop. Make sure it's closed securely. Use the thick white craft glue to glue on seed beads for 2 eyes and a mouth. Let the glue dry completely, thread your ghost on a chain, and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday ideas and other crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.